my name is Ayashee and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I am going to talk about the brand Arata. So I have their hair gel and their hair gel curly cream. So a lot of you guys were interested about Arata. I have talked about them in my video where I mentioned underrated Indian brands which totally deserve the hype, but I do not see a lot of people talking about them. So if you guys want to check out that video, link will be down below in the description box. So this video is entirely going to be about Arata. I am also going to use these products and show you how it functions on my hair so that you can use it on your hair. So I will be doing it practically and showing you guys, but before that, let's talk a little bit about this brand and product if you guys are new to it. These are the two products which I have. First is their Arata Advanced Curl Care Hair Cream, and then I have their curly hair gel. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. I totally love the packaging. I have lost a packet of this one, but as you guys can see, it's really aesthetic. I love the pastel yellow and the pastel blue. Best thing is that they are made up of cardboard box, and the tube, that is this one, and the other bottle which I have, they are made up of recyclable plastic, so for the environment. Also, the design is so quirky. I totally love it. It just looks so aesthetic. So first of all, let's talk about their curly hair cream. So this comes for a price of $5.99 and you get 100 ml of product. So this is how the outer packaging looks, and inside it, this is what you get. So Arata is totally cruelty free and vegan. It has no toxic chemicals and it's also dermatologically tested. All of the ingredients used are 100% natural, and the shelf life of this product is for 2 years. So this consists of Abyssinian seed oil, soya protein and shea butter, and so many other natural and good ingredients which is actually very good for your hair. This is how the texture of the substance is inside. I absolutely love it. As it's a hair cream, it is a little bit sticky, however not very much. Like, it's not that sticky. It's a little bit sticky if you overuse it, but if you take the right composition, it's not that sticky. It easily gets absorbed in your hair. A very beautiful smell. Like, if you are using it for a hair spa or like a self-care day at your home, you will be totally mesmerized and you will just love the smell because it gives such a good vibe. So that was about the hair cream. Now let's move on to the hair gel. So it also is made up of Abyssinian seed oil, argan oil, soya protein and aloe vera gel. Because I've lost the outer packaging, so the price will be mentioned on the screen, but you get 150 ml of product, and this again also has a shelf life of 2 years. So unlike the previous bottle, it comes in a tube-like packaging, and I would say this has a little bit of a thicker consistency. Like, as you guys can see, it has a little bit of a sticky consistency. Again, the thing with hair products is that if you use the right amount, it is going to do wonders, but if you do not, it can turn out to be a little bit sticky with every hair product. The thing which I have to mention is that both of these products are for curly hair only. You cannot use these hair gel and hair cream for straightening your hair, because I have tried it and it does not work like that. So with that out of the way, now let me show you guys how I use it on my hair along with directions on how you can use it too. So first of all, I'm taking the curly hair cream and taking just a little bit amount of it and applying it on my wet hair only at the bottom and not on the roots. Next, I'm taking the hair gel, only a little bit amount of it, and applying it on my wet damp areas where I applied the hair cream earlier. Keep in mind, it performs the best only when your hair is fully wet or at least damp and not on the verge of drying. And this is the part where you need to scrunch your hair, and you can do this method, and yeah, after it dries up, this is how it looks. I'm in love. This is a heatless way of curling your hair. Also, it looks very healthy, but you cannot brush your hair because once you brush it, the curls go away. So guys, that was all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and I think I have covered all the questions around it, but still, if you have any more questions, you can write it down in the comment box down below and I will be happy to answer you. It was a highly requested video and a lot of you guys were interested in it. So yeah, with that out of the way, I hope to see you guys next time. Till then, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. You do not have to, but you can, and it would make me really happy. And yeah, that's all. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.